hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hi boys and girls, it's me, Miss Carla. I'm having some fun on my ukulele today. Did you hear me playing? I'm learning every day. Oh, what is that sound? Did you hear that? I've got a bit of a rumble in my tummy. I'm feeling a little bit hungry. Are you feeling hungry too? You are? Okay, you know what I'm thinking, boys and girls? Let's make some yummy, healthy, tasty snacks. Welcome to my kitchen. Boys and girls, remember I told you I was hungry and we were going to make a tasty snack together? Well, let's get cooking in my kitchen today, and we are going to make this tasty snack called a banana waffle. It looks like an ice cream, but no, boys and girls, it's not an ice cream. It's a banana waffle. Boys and girls, before we start touching food or eating food, it's really important that we go wash our hands. Our hands are super dirty from all the playing we did today. So let's go wash our hands at the sink together. Wash your dirty hands, wash your dirty hands. Rub and scrub and rub and scrub and wash your dirty hands. Now that we have super duper clean hands from washing them at the sink, it's time to have a look at our ingredients so we can make the banana waffles. Let's take a look at our ingredients. Our ingredients are the foods that go in our bellies. Let's take a look. First, we have bananas. And I've already chopped some up before. Then we'll need some strawberries. Some sprinkles. So colourful. So fun. And of course, our waffle. Now we'll also need some equipment. Equipment is what we use to make our yummy waffles today. So with adult supervision, you will need a knife. I've got a kid-safe knife, but I'm not sure what you have at home, so make sure you have adult supervision for a knife. You also need a chopping board, a toaster, and a plate. I love to eat and I love to cook, but I also love to use my senses when I cook. Let's take a look at our ingredients once again. The bananas are yellow. I can see the yellow bananas. Can you see the bananas too? Yes, they're yellow. Strawberries. Strawberries are red and green and they smell so sweet. Can you use your nose to smell your strawberries? They smell so sweet. Can you smell them too? Sweet smelling strawberries. Sprinkles. Can you hear that sound with your ears? Yes, the sprinkles are moving inside my little container here. Sounds like sprinkly fun already. The waffle is brown. The waffle is going to go into the toaster and pop, another sound. Yes, the waffle is brown. All right, boys and girls, it's time to put our waffle into the toaster. So with adult supervision, you're going to put the lever down and you're going to wait for the beautiful aroma and the popping sound. Can you say pop? Well done. Let's sing. Pop, 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 pop. All right, here we go. Pop. With adult supervision, you need to be careful when you get your waffle out, or get a grown-up to help you completely. And here is the waffle, all done. And we're going to get ready into the next step. Now it's time to slice our fruit. First, we need to peel the banana. Oh, did you hear that sound? Peel the banana. We're not going to use the skin. Oh, smells so tasty. Yum, yum, yum. Ah, we don't want all these bits either. Take them off, take them off. Okay, so we need to slice them into little round shapes. Are you ready to slice with me? Yes, let's go. Oh, gotta hold with one hand and slice with the other. This is super tricky. Let's do it. Yes. Look at that. We don't need all of it, but look at the shapes. They look like eyes. There you are. Let's pop them in there with the other ones that I've cut before. Yum, yum, yum. Pop them all in there. Oh, my tummy's not rumbling that much anymore because I am feeding it with bananas. Yum, yum, yum. Let's keep cutting. Let's keep doing it. Cut. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, here they go. My hands are a little bit sticky. Let me just give them a bit of a wipe. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Yum, yum, yum. There's our sliced bananas. We don't need all of them for our waffles, but that's okay. We can use them for something else later. Now it's time to slice our strawberries. Here they are. So we don't want to eat the green stalk part, so we're going to take that off. Cut off the top bit. Oh, did you hear that sound? That was my knife sound. And we're going to cut it in half. 1, 2. And there's our strawberries. Smells so sweet. Yum, yum, yum. What shape does it look like? I think it looks a little bit like a love heart. All right, so I'm going to put them in there. Wipe my fingers again. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Move my mess to the side. Okay, so we've sliced the bananas. We've sliced the strawberries. Now remember, I said our waffle needs to look like an ice cream cone. We need to slice this waffle into a triangle. Are you ready to watch? I'm going to put it back on the chopping board, just like so. And you might need a grown-up to help you with this one because it's a little bit tricky. It doesn't matter if you don't get a perfect triangle, but what you're going to do is you're going to cut one edge off there, move it to the side, and cut another piece off there. It looks like an ice cream cone, but it's not. It's a waffle because we are making banana waffles. Boys and girls, it's almost time to build our banana waffle, but it's time to just get rid of our mess. I always say, let's clean up as we go so we can create a beautiful waffle. I've got a bin handy and all the scraps are going to go straight in. Pop. Now it's time to build our waffle. So let's get our plate back. Let's start with our triangle looking waffle and let's pop it on the plate just like so. We don't need these extra pieces, but you know what? They will put it in later. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, so our waffle goes on first. Next, we need to get our circle bananas and put them all around on top here to create the cute looking banana waffle, just like so. How many am I going to put on? Maybe that many. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 slices of bananas. And then using that strawberry half from before, I'm going to put it on top. So it looks like a little bit of the banana ice cream look. And remember our sprinkles. There's that sound again. It's time to sprinkle the sprinkles all over our bananas and strawberry. Let's go. Ho, 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 ho. So colourful, so fun. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. It's a sprinkly day today. Yay, yay, yay. There we are. All stuck on me. Banana waffle. So simple, so fun. I wonder how yummy it tastes. Where do I start eating first? Do I eat the waffle part? Oh. Do I eat the strawberry part? Oh. Or do I eat one of the bananas? I think I'm going to eat one of the bananas. Mmm. 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 Delicious. My tummy is not rumbling as much anymore. It is getting very satisfied because I'm eating a yummy banana waffle. So hopefully you get to enjoy your banana waffle too. Enjoy, boys and girls.